YouTube, what's going on? I'm looking at Diorama. This is old. I found this at the Antiquer, and well, it was in the package, brand new. I've come across these in the past. They're really not that expensive. I've actually was like looked online, 14 to 20 bucks. 1995 is what I think these came out as, and we'll look at the product here. But just came in this box. And this comes apart, this thing, so you can put it back in here, which I'll do because it takes up a lot of space. But wow, what a cool set. Probably would have liked to have this when it came out new. Didn't even know. You had to get a service station owner that wanted to stock this stuff, really. But anyway, this is really neat. So it's all separate panels, no glue. Basically, the hardest thing about this is putting the stickers on. Some of you might know about this set. I mean, it's been around for 30 years. The roof will come off so we can see the detail, but it's got a car wash. This is kind of like bridging the gap between like a complete toy play set and something decent to display cars. So if I had more space, this would probably have cars on it. But as it is, we have a nicer station over here. Now, if there was another part of the shelving that I could put this on, I probably would. All this was stickers. It's got a garage back there. It's got a convenience store, and then car wash, and then you got the pumps. So what I'm going to do is so everybody can see better, just take the roof off. You can kind of see what's going down. They have a little shelf that it comes with. So this is all separate pieces. These pumps are cool. I really like the tiles made up for the parking lot stuff. I think it looks cool. And it fits the 1/64 scale cars nicely. And all these buildings come off. I didn't glue anything down. No need. Nothing really going on in there. It's empty. But you could certainly put stuff in there. This kind of has a depression in it to make it go. And then signage. So this is the old school BP signs. But there's some good detail. You can see the BP right there. And it's got the hoses. It's a little big. I mean, if you look at a car like this almost like seems like 1/43rd scale pump, but the shop and everything is all pretty much good scale for a car. So I just wanted to show everybody this. This is kind of a neat thing. They're on the eBay, and I'm sure that if you just want to hold out and get them from an antique store, go ahead. We're getting all the new kind of diorama stuff coming out. I think it's become pretty advanced with these guys, which I want to get another one of these things. But, Greenlight did it. We got Greenlight stuff over here. We got some more cars coming. So we're going to probably get some cars on film soon. That kind of looks cool that way. So yeah, very happy to have this thing. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be too. Hope everybody enjoy watching. Just a quickie today, and more to come. Stay tuned. Getting that gas. It's getting tall, isn't it? Thanks for all the thumbs up. New subscriptions. Let's grow it to 10,000. Let's get thumbs up, some comments, whatever. Thank you for all your support. And again, more to come. Till next time.